at this job here in Loomis. Gonna be clearing up all of this here. They want to be able to get across to their other property. And there's like a little waterway or creek through here, but it's really like only like 6 inches deep by like 2 feet wide. Now, since we're gonna be doing some heavy duty brush tomorrow, we're gonna be bringing out the cat brush mower. We're gonna bring out this grapple. And the customer was a little concerned about fire danger. And you know, I have started a couple fires with this mower, but only mowing grass. So hopefully that doesn't happen tomorrow. I do have a water trailer, but I don't have any way to get it there besides driving an hour there to drop it off, and then hour back, and then hour back, and then hour back. And I don't really want to do all that. So I've got a fire extinguisher in the tractor itself next to my feet. I've got one on the truck and one inside the truck. And when I have started those fires, what I usually do is I just take the mower deck and I put it down to the ground and I just kind of do this with it. And that usually puts the fire out. And if there's little smoldering stuff, then I just get out and pick it up or get it out of the way. Alright, let's do this. See how stuck we get, because it's pretty soft. Hopefully we don't. It's shaking right now. I think one of the arms is stuck. So far I've cleared from that bush over there all the way here. I'm going to clear around these redwoods, clear all this. And then I think just this area here, and I think that'll be it. I was hoping that I could drive out, but it just kept getting more stuck. So I gotta go grab the truck, try to winch this thing out. Got it out. All right, last part of this job is just clean up all the material that we've cut up and pile it up so they can burn it. You got all this area and all the way over there. Raking everything into these piles. Pretty much done. You couldn't even barely tell that these redwoods were here. That's how much overgrowth there was. I mean, it's even into the tree itself. All right, it's all done. I got what I could out of this creek area. This is where I sunk down in there, so didn't want to go back in there again. It's amazing how much overgrowth there was. All right, this thing did absolutely awesome. It did have a little bit of heating issues, but that's to be expected with all the brush and leaves and all kinds of material getting in and blocking up the airways. So you can see it's still there. I did have to leaf blow it out a couple times, but other than that, it did great. There's nothing that this brush mower couldn't cut down today. Well, on to the next one.